This is how you're going to log in to your Hpanel. So Hpanel is a Hostinger's custom control panel. First, you're going to go to the official Hostinger website, which you can find at hostinger.com or hpanel.com. And then from there, you're going to click on the login button, or it will usually take you to the login section immediately. So if you cannot, if it doesn't take you to the login immediately, you should usually find it right here at the top right corner of your screen. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to enter your email address right here and then your password associated with your Hostinger account. Now, if you want a shortcut and you have used your Gmail account for logging in or signing up in Hostinger Hpanel, you can just click on this Google icon right here and then you're going to log in with your Google account. So for this one, I'm just going to use this account that I have. And then I'm just going to wait for it to load, and it will usually immediately take you to the your Hostinger or Hpanel dashboard. And that's it. That is how you're going to log in to Hpanel. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.